haunting of Dailong village. In the early 2000s, a family in Dailong village experienced a terrifying event that left the whole village scared. The story is about a young girl named Neilin, who was haunted by a mysterious spirit for several nights. One evening, as the sun was setting, Neilin was walking home from the farm with her friends. As they passed through a narrow jungle path, she felt like someone was watching her. Her friends didn't notice anything, but Neilin kept looking back, feeling uneasy. That night, as she lay in bed, she suddenly woke up to whispers. At first, she thought it was her family, but the whispers were coming from outside her window. When she got up to check, she saw a dark figure with glowing red eyes standing near a tree. She froze in fear and screamed. Her parents rushed in, but when they looked outside, the figure was gone. The elders said it was just her imagination, but that was only the beginning. The strange happenings. Over the next few nights, strange things started happening in the house. Doors opened by themselves, even when they were locked. They heard whispers and footsteps at midnight. Neilin woke up with scratch marks on her arms, even though no one had touched her. One night, she saw the shadow again, this time inside her room, standing at the foot of her bed. Worried, the family asked the village elders and a priest for help. The elders told them something chilling. Many years ago, a woman had mysteriously disappeared in the jungle where Neilin first felt the presence. Some believed her spirit still roamed, looking for someone. The final night, a priest performed a cleansing ritual to remove the spirit, but it was not easy. On the last night of the ritual, Neilin's mother woke up and found her daughter standing outside in the dark. Her eyes were open, but she was not awake. It was as if she was in a trance. When they shook her awake, she whispered in a strange voice, "She wants to take me." The family and villagers quickly finished the ritual and burned incense around the house. After that, the disturbances stopped. But Neilin never spoke about what she saw while in the trance. Even today, the people of Dailong village warn against walking alone near the jungle at dusk, especially where the woman disappeared. Some say her spirit is still there, waiting for another lost soul to follow her into the dark.